and we are here basically as part of the preparations that we are expected to have a Thanksgiving service in this hall on Saturday, the 15th of July. So Thanksgiving in the sense that being a Saturday and me being an Adventist, it's going to be a special church service, just to say thank you to the Lord for the opportunity to serve in government as a Principal Secretary for Internal Security and National Administration. And a thanksgiving to the very many colleagues that I work with, and a thanksgiving to the very many friends who will be joining me in the service on Saturday, as well as the family and clan and the community of this region. So we expect the President to grace the Thanksgiving occasion, and again, it's not the first time that the President is coming to Homa Bay County. So he's not new to the people of Homa Bay. Therefore, even in terms of expectation, the people of Homa Bay know the President very well. They know what he stands for. They know what his administration is doing. And they know the commitments that his administration made to the people of this country, and more specifically to the people of Homa Bay. So the President will, apart from visiting Homa Bay for the 4th time since he became President, will also be worshipping with the people of Homa Bay. His first time to come to Homa Bay as a President, he worshipped with us in Homa Bay town. Now he's coming for the 2nd time for worship, and he'll be worshipping in this school in Karachuonyo constituency. And I expect that as part of that worship, he will also be saying thank you to the people of Homa Bay for the support that they gave him and they continue to give him. And I also expect that he will also use that opportunity to reaffirm his commitment to serve the people of this country. And I equally expect that he will be able to highlight a few of the notable government programs that are being undertaken by his administration. Now, as I began, we are here because we are looking forward to my Thanksgiving service, which will be happening on Saturday the 15th at this great institution called the Ruto High School. I would only want to take this chance to invite everybody from the length and breadth of this country to join me in giving thanks, first to the Almighty for the opportunity to serve, but also giving thanks to the President for finding it proper in entrusting me to be one of his officers in the administration that he runs. And to the people of Homa Bay, it's a good time to be alive. It's a good time to be able to say thank you. And it's a good time to be able to find out more what the government is doing